Hello everyone. Today we will discuss power and duties of directors. Certain responsibility and duties come with the post of director of a private limited company or limited company or one person company. Director are unaware of the task and responsibility many companies which are expected of them and only occupy the post as a namesake. As a result, organization with strong and moral boards of director will appear beneficial to all the company's stakeholders. Directors have a fiduciary responsibility regarding the company, therefore, director must use his or her authority for the profit of the firm or of the best interested of the company. A director must also give the priority to the interest of the company over their own personal interest. Director works honestly, but if the director does any work which is against the company best interest, then it is a violation of the duty of the directors. Director, according to Section 2, Subclause 13 of the Company Act 1956, any person existing the position of director by whatever name is called director. Article of Association cover the appointment duties, rights, and salary of the director. Part-time director who do not take a direct part of the day-to-day management and administration of the company are called part-time director. Whole-time director are also known as functional director, and their position in the company is similar to an employee, but it is not so in the case of part-time director. But part-time director are non-executive director when it comes to the questions of powers, rights, duties and responsibility. Then there is not such difference between a whole time director and a part-time director. Rights of director in a company. In order to create policies, directors must have a vision that will high result. They must set the company's goals for achieving a high level of success. They must be able to conduct the objective of the company. Then there is some function and responsibility of the director below. Individual right of the director: inspection of books of accounts, right to receive board meeting notices, right to obtain circular resolution draft, right to a sitting fee, right to speak in general meeting. Inspection of board meeting minutes is a legal right. He has also the right to record his dissent, right to vote and participate in the board meeting, the right to call board meeting, right to request an alternate director from the board of director. Director's duty in a company: the board of director function as the agent of the company. However, when acting for the company, the director must fulfill the responsibility. Liability of the director in a company: the director may be held jointly or collectively accountable for any and all conduct detrimental to the interest of the company. Although the director and the company are separate entities, the director can be held liable on the company behalf in the same circumstances. It concluded that any person exercising the position of director by whatever name is called director. Article of Association covers the appointment duties, rights and salary of the director. Director have a fiduciary responsibility regarding the company. Therefore, director must use his or her authority for the profit of the firm or for the best interest of the company.